Hello everyone, let's see who we have here. What's your name? Introduce yourself.
Indira Gandhi, Egyptian woman, American, for 18 years.
What is your background?
I was a teacher, childhood education. I have bachelor degree, but when I moved to USA, I decided to study, and I went for medical assistant. I became certified medical assistant and phlebotomist.
Wow, and why did you start this business?
This business because I do have another business which is driving for 8 years. I had commercial drive license, but I have to present in a car to get money. I was looking for something to do from anywhere since my parents in Egypt. I have to travel every year to check on them for their conditions, and then there is nothing gonna give me my time freedom till I found this model. I signed in. My dad passed away. A week after, I said I'm gonna be in for him, for my mom, for my family. I continue. It's been more than a year now, year something. I have my team. I success from the day one, even before I have money or the team, because that was my mission, helping people like the other helped me. And now my mom just passed away 10 days before. After I came from Alexandria, 3 days after. So I'm relieved that at least I watched her, I saw her. Now I'm grateful for that business because I said it. This business paid my trip to see my mom.
Wow,
ASAP.
that's amazing because like I was about to say you have two deaths in the family but you're still smiling. That is because you're grateful
Thankful.
of this business. What do you really love about our business?
Everything. Gratitude. Celebrate the small things. Success comes from inside. You start changing yourself, so everything will be changed around you. Do everything, and God gonna finish.
Yeah, that's right. If you are looking for ways to earn extra income, go message us and we will definitely help you out. Thank you. Have a good one. Yes, that's right.